Welcome back, guys. Well, hello, channel. Welcome to my guys. Right now, we're gonna interview the famous influencer in this world. He's a famous cosplayer. Mm-mm. Sir, I'm gonna introduce you. This is Mr. Sir Doctor Insinyur
What? We are viral tuh.
Muhaimin. Tepuk tangan kada?
So, I am Ahmad Muhaimin from Group 24 UPB English.
Yes, and today in my channel we're gonna interview him about the topic of apa tadi itu topiknya bentar dulu ya, santai ya, kan aku cut ya gin. Topik apa tadi yang tadi aku?
Mana Group UPB?
Topik
Back.
Yeah, I'm gonna interview him about the topic of the impact of technology has to do on our
social
life,
life.
on social life. Yeah, and that if you want to know where are we right now, we're in this in this sacred place of dormitory of Muhaimin, and there's an anomaly here, guys. We're gonna show you. This is a ghost. This is a demon. Ah. There's a demon in this place, guys. Okay, without any more apa sih further ado, without anything more about this distraction,
Yeah.
this shaitan nirojim. Okay, so first question I'm gonna ask you, how has social media changed the way people build and maintain relationship? What do you think about it?
So, how has social media changed the way people build and maintain relationship? First of all, we're gonna know what is a relationship is, because
Yes.
relationship is many things, like friend is a relationship,
Yes, like
family
wife, yes,
is relationship,
wife and husband.
like
Mm-mm.
wife and husband is also a relationship, and also like your girlfriend or your boyfriend is also
Yes.
a relationship.
Or your friend who doesn't know anything about ethic, like this one. This
This
people
keep
here
recording
is
us.
a demon. This not human.
Why are you recording?
Why you recording? This is copyright. You're gonna copyright.
I just want to
So what do you think?
make a memory.
What do you think about the social media? Do you think it's changed the way people?
Of course, it is really changed the way people build and maintain the relationship. For example, if you like, how is that? If you go to university and have to leave the city from your family,
Yes.
so you have to live far away from them,
you
right?
can talk directly,
Yeah.
communicate.
You cannot talk to them directly, and there's technology that gonna help us.
Oh yeah, like video call,
Yes,
chat,
video call to
chatting.
maintain our relationship with family. Like example, if you are miss them, you can always call them, like
Oh yes.
call them their number or their WhatsApp, and mom, I miss you, or
I
something like
miss
that.
you.
And then
Yeah.
I'm sick.
let's
When
say,
are we gonna when I'm gonna get the money?
yes, like mom, I'm running out of money right now. Can you send me if you're unemployed and can get the money yourself? So you're gonna ask your parent for the money, right?
Yes. Good. So what ways does technology gonna improve or hinder face to face communication skill? Like how is it gonna improve our communication skill?
The way that technology improve our communication skill. So I think technology can, of course, improve our way to communicate with other people and improve our communication skill. For example, like you meet people online, right?
Yes.
And when you talk to them, example like just chatting or maybe voice call with them,
Yeah.
thus you also improving your communication skill, because
like video
you have,
game.
yes, example like you meet them from video game, from
Like
social
Blue
media,
Archive.
from anything.
Blue Archive, yes. Communication.
Like you talk to them if every day, you just decide, like you using Discord or anything,
Oh yeah,
and
Discord.
like you texting with them every day or calling with them. And example, if you playing game with them, and the game have to communicate with them,
Yes.
so you're gonna communicate with them every time, like playing Mobile Legend, for example, like I'm gonna
Blue
pick the
Arctic.
zero.
Genshin Impact.
Di
I'm
atas,
gonna
di
blend the
atas,
zero,
di
whatever.
atas dah nih
Like,
sekarat.
hey, the enemy on top and the
Yeah.
enemy sing something like that.
Mm.
So
God.
that's way to improve the communication skill. And the next one, to hinder face to face.
Oh my
Do you
God.
even
So the way that technology hinder our face to face communication is by like your phone. Example, if you're in your house and you're with your family, sometimes only some people do it, or not all people. Like they texting their brother sister, but they actually in the same house, like live together, and they just don't wanna leave the room, and they just texting and not actually talking face to face. That's some
Oh,
example for that.
yes, yes.
And
They just want to talk from their phone, right?
yeah, just
They don't
online.
want to communicate
Yes,
directly.
they don't want to communicate directly, like going to their like room
Their
or
room.
something. Yeah, maybe that's it.
That's it. So, um, do you think what role does technology play in increasing or decreasing feelings of loneliness and isolation?
Role technology increasing decreasing feeling of loneliness and isolation. This kind of hard though. Let me think
Yeah,
for a few
because
seconds.
some people, they like watching anime.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
they just they feel lonely. They just spend their life watching anime, watching VTuber.
oh yeah.
They're feeling lonely. Do you think? What do you think like that?
So, what does technology like take a role on this one? For example, decreasing feeling of loneliness. Of course, technology can increase or decrease. From let's just say from decreasing first because it's a good thing. Yeah, for example, you get friend from online,
Yeah,
and that's
online.
the way that you can decreasing your feeling of loneliness and isolation.
Mm-mm.
Another one is like you're watching your favorite show. It can
Oh
also
yeah.
decrease the feeling of loneliness. And let's say what's other one? Maybe like playing video game. Of course, it can make you decrease
Yeah,
your
especially
feeling of
talking to people
loneliness.
online games. Yeah.
Yeah. What the heck is back?
What the fuck, basah, cok. Bapak kau. Pakas bapak itu. Oh, punya muka higa kah?
Okay, yeah. Let's just move on to the next one.
Yeah.
And how
Do you think it's
technology
increasing?
increasing. How can
Lanjut
technology
Pak, guys.
increasing? Yeah, there are actually some of it. For example, online bullying.
Oh
Because it
yes,
exists.
yes.
For
Toxic.
example, you're gonna post your photos on Instagram, Facebook, or anything like that, and there's some mean people that's gonna say
There's
or comment
yeah.
like, "Oh, who is this? Is this like my pet or something?
Oh yeah.
Why are you first like that?" And that's
Hate
like
comment, hate speech, yeah.
physical
Like
bullying.
bullying, like this one, guys. This a bully. This a bully.
He tahu his
He doesn't even wear his shirt. Like what?
Wow.
He doesn't even wear
he
his
tahu
shirt.
his experience.
Aduh.
Oh my God.
And what other thing that gonna increase
So do you
loneliness
think?
and isolation?
So do you think does technology is do you think technology is have a
It,
role in increasing or decreasing loneliness gitu?
Like Wizard.
Yeah.
yes, of course. They both have their these two have a role of
Oh,
their own.
Skripnya.
so do you think apa sih ini uh, technology has big role in increasing or decreasing, like increasing much or decreasing
Oh,
much?
it actually depends on how are people using the technology.
Oh,
If
okay.
people use it right, like do all the good things, of course they're gonna have have decreasing feeling of loneliness. But
Oh, okay.
if people using it the wrong way, they're just gonna increase their loneliness and isolation.
Okay,
So it depends on the user.
Oh, the user. Remember, the user is the one who
Yes.
who
I
fault.
remember.
So the next question is, how has the use of smartphone affect social interaction in public space? Like like some people is always on their phone. Like
Yeah.
this one, he always on their phone. Where when there's people around them, they don't talk each other. They just scroll and or videoing someone.
Yeah.
No,
Just
I'm
the-
not.
just the
I'm not
example.
videoing
Yeah.
someone.
So what do you think of it?
How's the usage will affect? Yes, it is really affect. For example, just the common thing, like you're in class,
Yeah,
like the lecturer is teaching and explaining the
oh yeah,
what
Explaining the sex education.
yeah the material of
The
your
oh, yeah.
studying,
Yes.
and there's there always some people, only some, right, not all, that gonna use their phone like
Yes. Scrolling.
scrolling and opening other thing like
Yeah.
playing games.
Opening
For the example, we
Opening-
hear example here. This guy.
opening
always
porno
have-
website.
Oh, he
For
always
example.
He always
play porn.
parah.
Is
don't-
the example.
Don't
No,
don't
no, 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 no. No.
don't apa ini
Don't be
namanya?
like him.
Don't tiru him. Ya, his bad influence. This is bad
No,
influence.
I'm good boy. I'm good boy.
Good boy, pala bapak
I'm
kau.
good boy. I'm not bad boy.
So, do you think a smartphone is affecting social interaction?
Yes, of course. And there also not only in class. For example, like in public transportation. Example like you're taking a bus.
Yeah.
There almost all people are not like interacting with each other again. Like in the back in the time, like say in the early 2000, because
Yes.
there's not much phone,
Mm,
and let's say you got a taxi or bus,
mm.
people are gonna interact with each other, right?
Talking, yeah,
But
sharing.
now in the 2020s,
Yes.
like all time right now, there's so many phone, like people all age have telephone, like
Yeah, yeah.
from babies to old age people
Yeah. People more prefer
Playing
playing
their
with their
phone
phone rather than
rather
talking,
than talking with other people in the place like
Yeah.
that.
So, do you think to what extent do online interaction impact the quality of real life friendship and family bonds?
Oh, it can, again, it depends on the user. If the
Mm.
user are interacting with their family or friend to have strengthen their bonds, of course they can do that. Like they're like calling each
Oh,
other
yes,
for like information or like gifting something or like
Transfer,
wanna
yeah.
transfer something and wanna meet up. Of course, that's make their bond stronger and like with family or even friend. So that's how the online interaction impact the quality of real life.
So do you so do you think to what extent do online interaction impact the quality of real life friendship and family bonds? Ya intinya ya so like that guys. So the next question is what are the generational difference in how people use technology for social purpose?
So it is between the like say 2 or 3 generations.
Yeah,
Like
like
how they use the technology.
like for example like boomer.
Yeah.
What do you think of boomer? From Gen Z, the difference from
Yeah.
Gen Z for
So example like boomer first, what they use social like technology. They use it in back then to let's say watch television or only communication
yeah,
because they only have television and like phone, not handphone, smartphone to
yes.
play games or play anything. So they gonna like just watch television and uh, calling their families or someone other. So that's how the difference between now into the next generation. What is that?
Gen Z,
Yeah,
Gen
Gen
Z.
Z.
We Gen Z.
We are Gen Z,
Gen
right?
Z.
So how do we use technology in our life?
Yeah.
We're gonna use our phone like to also communicate, but we have something more than the boomers have. Like we can play video games and have social media, not like boomers in their age. So
Yeah.
it's really different.
So what do you think like there's boomer like in our generation like
Mm.
boomer there's some boomers like ini playing Facebook. What do you think of them like temakan hoax like
Oh,
they
like
they take hoax really yeah they think that's true but it's hoax.
yeah.
Like what do you think of boomers like them that using technology like us too?
I think it is very miserable for them, but it is really understandable because they're already old, right? And
Yes.
they doesn't really know about technology on like their young age because maybe they are not rich at the time, and now technology is easy to access, and like their memories are weak
Oh,
right
yeah.
now because
Weak.
they cannot different between the
Yeah,
real
the real-
news and the hoax because they're also AI right now
Yeah,
are really good,
sorry,
and they always get the hoax from them.
Mm-mm. So the last question, guys, yeah. So can virtual communication ever fully replace physical interaction in terms of emotional connection?
Oh, it is actually really hard, but I don't think it will ever fully replace in the near future because right now we still need to interact with other people like in real life, not only in the
Virtual.
online virtual thing. But in the maybe we don't know like 100 years or more, it might be fully too, but I don't really sure, not 100%. So that's what I think. It will never ever fully replace the physical interaction.
Okay, you think like that. So, okay, guys, I think that's it. That's it. Yeah, for us. Yeah, our interview. Yeah. So I think yeah,
Yeah, that's it lah.
technology is very impactful on our social life. So well, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So since yeah, this is 16 minutes. Okay, Mr. Fitra. Okay, I remember you. Okay, the first one with Ray, I did it past 15, like 17 or 18, and then Lukman, I did it 16 or 17 too, and here 16 13, and almost 17. So please give me score that high. I don't
Yeah,
care. Yeah,
me
give
too.
us score, give us really high score. Yeah. So yeah, I think guys that's it. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Penutupan pusing. So aduh harus sampai lagi kameranya. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe,
Subscribe,
like,
like,
share
share
my content,
His
my
content.
channel.
this channel.
Yeah. So see you again guys next week or maybe never. Yeah, see you again. See you again guys. Yeah. Dadah.